So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I got something very amazing with me here. Yes, it's a word spray gun and it's by Flame. So it's not a Takara Tomy product, it's a Flame product. So we're gonna talk about it. तो मैं काफ़ी टाइम से एक वर्ड स्प्रे गन लेने की कोशिश कर रहा था बट इन इंडिया इट इज़ रियली हार्ड टू गेट अ वर्ड स्प्रे गन. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि यार वर्ड स्प्रे गन तो मिल नहीं रहा टकारा टॉमी का, सो फ्लेम का ले लेते हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ आई एंडेड अप बाइंग अ फ्लेम वर्ड स्प्रे गन बिकॉज टकारा टॉमी Beyblades are not available in India and it's really hard to get one. So before I unbox this box, let's appreciate the packing. So for your reference, this is my box from variant Lucifer. So if I compare this side by side, you can see it's pretty same. I mean, if we remove the branding, it's pretty good copy. So if the branding isn't present, I'm not sure how to say, but it is pretty close to the original. So let's see if the Beyblade is any good. Is it close to original? But sadly I don't have a Takara Tomy word spray gun to compare to, but we will do it otherwise. So चलो इसको खोलते हैं, देखते हैं कैसा है क्वालिटी फ्लेम का. So let's unbox it. Okay, here's a ripcord. What the hell, man? They sent me a broken ripcord. I mean, this parcel came like 2 days back. I haven't opened it. I left it like that. But this was not, I was not expecting. I mean, it is usable though, but it's sad to see a broken ripcord. Let's see if we have a piece of it. So here's our Beyblade. Yes, launcher, I guess. Okay, nothing else. So I guess, oh, it's open from this side as well. So I guess the parcel is really in bad shape, so that's why we couldn't even find the broken piece. So we would have applied a super glue and fixed it. No worries, but it's really sad to see that they sent me a broken piece. The launcher is okay, but this is not okay, guys. You can see, I'm not sure if it happened during the shipping or they sent it like this, but this is not acceptable at all. And I bought this Beyblade from Amazon India, so the seller is BU Stuti, so they are pretty good. I mean, I'm not saying that it happened to all the people, but it happened to me, guys. So I'm really not sure how to react to this, because see, if it is pretty open, I cannot say if somebody has used it. I'm not sure if it is a used one or it's a new. So no worries, let's चलो यार निकालते हैं ये. मेरे को बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. This is a like open sealed package. I mean, ब्रोकन रिप कार्ड तक ठीक था, बट दिस इज अनएक्सेप्टेबल. तो स्टिकर्स मैं अप्लाई नहीं करने वाला हूँ बिकॉज आई नो फ्लेम के स्टिकर्स हैं, सो इट्स गोना कम ऑफ इवेंचुअली. तो ये रहा अपना बॉक्स. ऐसा कुछ बॉक्स मिलता है विच इज़ नॉट रियली इन गुड शेप राइट नाउ. और एक लॉन्चर, रिप कॉर्ड. और पार्ट्स की बात करें तो ये रहा टॉप रिंग. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वर्ड रिंग आई सपोज, या और वर्ड लेयर. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड 2D बैलेंस विच इज बेसिकली अ 2D चेसिस. एंड दिस इज अ स्पार्किंग चिप एंड आई थिंक इट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रीगन स्पार्किंग चिप. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट वी हैव अ यूनाइट ड्राइवर. सो बट द गुड थिंग इज इट इज मेड ऑफ रबर्स. दिस इज what I am afraid about when I buy from Flame, that mostly the rubber parts are not rubber, they would be like plastic, but this time this is rubber, so that is one positive I would say. So let's see how that goes. So I think for right spin it's gonna be at this side. So basically it can switch modes, guys. So if I put this one like that, it will go into the right spin. So let me show you. So you can see R written here. So if it is at the top, this is our right spin, and if it is like this, you can see a L written. So if I put a sparking chip like that, it's gonna be left spin. So for now, let's keep it as a right spin for now. Okay, I guess sparking chip is in place. Let me put together the 2D chassis. Cool, it's done. Now driver. Okay, so we have assembled our word spray gun. I'm not sure how to say this because I never had a word spray gun, a Takara Tomy one, but this is really good, guys. I mean, I cannot complain for the price. It is amazing. I mean, obviously this Takara would be a little bit better, but this is okay enough for me. And okay, these things are also working. So I mean, मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। आई मीन अगर आपको स्पार्किंग भी लेना है तो आप ले सकते हो। दिस इज प्रीटी गुड। सो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट एनी मोर फॉर द टाइम, लेट्स डू अ टेस्ट बैटल एंड लेट्स वाइंड अप दिस वीडियो। सो फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट बैटल, लेट्स डू अ बैटल बिटवीन अ वेरिएंट लूसीफर एंड वर्ल्ड स्प्रिगन। सो दिस इज अ Takara Tomy 1. So first I'm gonna launch the variant Lucifer. Okay, clearly it won. I understood the point. So let me launch World Spriggan first, then I'm gonna launch the variant Lucifer. I'm gonna use my launcher. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Still it managed to win. That's amazing, guys. Amazing stuff. Now one battle we're gonna try it in a left mode. So this is Lucifer the End. So we're gonna do one battle, and now the World Spriggan is in left mode, so that Lucifer the End could absorb some spin. So let's try that out. So first we're gonna launch Lucifer the End, then we're gonna launch World Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Three, 2, 1, let it rip. So Lucifer was out of stamina, and now you can see it's absorbing a lot of spin. Let's see if Legend Spriggan is able to pull a win from Lucifer the End or not, because I highly doubt that. And Lucifer the End won. So that's the power of Lucifer. So obviously this video is not about this guy. Anyways, it was a fun battle. If you are a left spin Beyblade, this guy is pretty unbeatable, so don't go against it. So that's it, guys. This is a World Spriggan for you, and I think this is just stunning. It looks almost near to close to Takara Tomy 1. The quality is decent and it looks good. So guys, that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video of mine. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.